Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and we're here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee at the Hampton Inn right on the Parkway. So this is right on the strip, so very it's right where everything is. So we are in a 2 queen size bed with a balcony overlooking the creek room. So let's give this room a little check and see what it looks like. Looks really nice to me. So as you first come in the room, here's the room. You got the bathroom. So here, so as you can see, this is a really nice looking bathroom. And here's the beds, big TV, the armoire. You can see it. Then here's the window, and got the door here out to the balcony. Look at that. The door locks and the key locks and so guys, this is got a nice room. And listen to the creek. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this room. Just take a look at it. Looks really nice. So there's the bathroom again. Okay guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below about the room if you like it, if you stayed here before. And also take time to subscribe to my channel. I do sightseeing and adventure videos like this. I also do a cooking video that comes out every Saturday, and I do taste test videos as well. So and I'll see you guys next video, and remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. I'll see you guys later.